Hello, this is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and I got a text from one of my subscribers saying, hey, you haven't posted a video in a while. What's going on? So I thought I'd make an update video and let you know what's going on here and our inventory with Berkey water filters and other items here in the warehouse. As you can see, we're having a full winter here in Idaho. It's just another Tuesday. Last year we put in a pond and a pergola over there. We were in the UK, so we were inspired to put up some stone hedge arch, per se. The neighborhood is growing. We're expanding the house, putting in a sunroom there. You can see my VHF and UHF antennas. The chickens are looking for breakfast. I've got the 3 honeybee hives over there. I harvested about 350 pounds of honey last year. I checked them earlier when we had a warm day. It was like up to 42 degrees here. Lost one of the hives because I didn't have enough food in there for winter, but the other 2 are doing well, and one is doing fantastic. Over here, the black barrels, those will be going into the geothermal greenhouse to add thermal energy during winter. And you can see up here, my wife has one of her chicken coops, and there's another one down there by the greenhouse. I think she's got 4 or 5 chicken coops. Neighbor building his house behind us. Primarily cloudy today, but we're generating lots of solar from our solar panels. I just had those removed from the roof and ground mounted. Look for a video here shortly on why I did that and some things that you should consider in doing solar. It's February 18th. Hope everyone's enjoying their winter. I'm out here in the warehouse as a typical morning getting orders prepared. So we've got Mintlighter Gardening Course books going out, the LDS Prepper Premium Micronutrient Mix orders. We've got my wife's Herbal Remedies books here. One of her most populars here, 3 Secrets to Choosing Better Herbs, Medicinal Weeds, Making Herbal Remedies, the Culinary Herbs and Spices book, and her First Aid Herbal Remedies books. We got pallets and pallets and pallets of Berkey systems. So we've got a bunch of Berkey's travel systems there. And if you can see here, it says 4RB. Those are Royal Berkeys. So I've got at least a full pallet plus Berkeys for the Royals there. We got some more travels. Over here, we've got some more crowns. I ran out of crowns. I had to place a second order for crowns. Those are very popular. By the way, this Westinghouse 9500 DF generator, primo. I've tested a lot of generators, and that's the one that I chose to spend my money on because that's an extremely well-built one. I purchased that for our backup, so when we don't have enough solar to charge the Mango power stations, when the grid's down for a long term, we can hook that up. I'll show you here real quick to this 50 amp connection here on the outside, and we can run that Westinghouse with the propane that we have stubbed into here, or gasoline. I love these dependable, reliable Mango power stations. They have been running this warehouse for 2.5 years, something like that, non-stop, automatic power. I've got it wired into this 10 circuit breaker transfer switch, and so you can see I've got my 6 switches up here for my 120 volts and my 240 volts down here. I have that on line power, so if the grid goes out, let me just show you that. We've got the lights up here and the grids go out and the lights stay on. That's because we have automatic transfer with this setup here. So if you have questions on how to get automatic transfer for emergency power, please call me, because I've been doing this for a long time and it works. I have thousands of customers doing the same thing. The majority of the Mango power systems ship out of Minnesota, but I do have some here in the warehouse for those in the area who want to come by and just pick them up directly. One of the reasons why I have the Mango power systems in here, because it also powers our 32 security cameras that we have inside our buildings and outside on our property, in addition to the 8 perimeter alarms. A couple of years ago, we added break-proof film to all the windows in the warehouse and on our house. And then additional reinforced security on all the doors. Here we have on the warehouse double deadbolt locks reinforced jambs here, and then reinforced on the hinges. Those are making it very, very difficult to break into the house or the property. Life is good until it's not, and so we're, as a preparedness-minded person, we are prepared for when things are not as happy. So we'll put that back onto grid power and give you a little walkthrough. So we've got the Mid-Lighted gardening course books here. Going to order for fluoride filters going out this morning. Fluoride has been in the news quite a bit lately, and the dangers of fluoride, drinking it. I've got just shy of a pallet of fluoride filters here. They have been going out very quickly. And then I've got a wall here of Berkeys that I can grab here. I've got some more big Berkeys. So we've got lots of big Berkeys stacked over here. Got the Crowns, Royals, and Travels. I'm out of Imperials right now. As soon as those become available, I'll be able to get more of those in. Plenty of filters, hundreds and hundreds of sets of filters. I've got accessories here. The stainless steel spigots, which are extremely popular. The sports bottles, which we travel all over the world with our sports bottles. Those are awesome. Then the stands, and then we have this sight glass spigots, which we have on our systems, the primers, so forth. Everything set up here for quick delivery. Well, we are well stocked. Everything is shipping. As you can see here, I've got an order. This is my order in March of last year. I ordered 148 Travel Berkeys, 158 Big Berkeys, 118 Royal Berkeys, 24 Imperials, which I sold out of, 24 Crowns, which I had to place another order for, 100 sports filter bottles, and that's just page 1 of 2, and of course the other accessories. So if you go to ldsprepperstore.com, I try to list every month or so, update the availability on all the items. People ask me all the time if I'm an authorized Berkey dealer and if I'm selling authentic Berkey filters. And as you can see, I am, from this invoice, an authorized dealer, and I only sell authorized, authentic Berkey products. So you can be assured that you're getting the real deal when you order from ldsprepperstore.com. If you have any questions on any of these items, please give me a call. I love talking to my customers and subscribers. Just the best way to get a hold of me is via phone call. I get over 300 emails a day, so please don't email me. You can also text me, but phone call is preferred. If I'm on a call with another customer, I will return the call. So I hope your winter is going well, that you're enjoying the full seasons, and that you have joy and happiness in your life and in your family. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if you are prepared, you shall not fear what's coming.